Did you know that a ton of software deals are lost in the first 4 seconds of the call? Watch this. Hey, I'm Matt Wolach, and I help SaaS founders and leaders improve their sales process so that they can close a ton of deals, most notably through a demo that really wins. Now, I mentioned that a lot of deals are lost in the first 4 seconds. Here's what I mean. Let's say that your prospect gets on the call and you come at them like this. Hey, nice to meet you. Yeah, looks like things are good. Yep. We're gonna have a good call today. That's not going to go well, is it? And I know it sounds stupid, like I'm overdoing it. I'm not. I've heard a ton of demos that sound exactly like that. If you don't come with enthusiasm, if you don't come with passion, you're going to lose. In fact, studies have shown that you have 4 seconds to be enthusiastic and to make sure that your prospect feels that enthusiasm. If you can't deliver the enthusiasm, they will never be there. And one of the things I like to tell my clients is that your buyer will never be more passionate about your product than you. So if you're here, they can get to hear. But if you're here, they're only getting to hear. And if they're not passionate about your product, it's not going to happen. So in those first 4 seconds, you have got to bring the enthusiasm. Show them that you care. Show them that you're happy to help. Show them that you are excited for this call that is going to come. So something like this would be much, much better. Hey, Jim, so excited to talk with you. Thank you for jumping on the call. I am really looking forward to today's session. How are you doing today? Wow, that would be so much different. And Zig Ziglar, who is a very famous sales trainer, you may have heard of him. He said that enthusiasm is so important that for every deal that gets lost because you're over enthusiastic, 100 will win because you were so enthusiastic. That means don't be worried about being too enthusiastic and looking corny or looking like you're overdoing it. Give it all. Give your passion. Share with them that you are excited for this. And others will resonate with that. They're going to see that. They'll be drawn to it and they will want to meet you at your passion level. This is something I've seen myself. If it's after a long day and I don't quite bring it, I notice that the prospect doesn't quite have that passion either. But if I'm feeling it, I'm enthusiastic, I'm confident, and I say yes, then they will meet me on my level. So be enthusiastic because you only have 4 seconds to give that enthusiasm and to show them that you are a winner. If you don't do it in that time, you're lost. They've lost forever. Okay? Show the enthusiasm, be enthusiastic, and that'll really help you. Now, if this helped you, make sure you hit the like button down there and comment what you think about this. And if you have any questions, I'm answering questions. So go ahead and put it in the comments. I'll be able to answer those for you. Also, if you really want your demos to excel, if you really want to make your demo special, I've created a course called Software Demo Secrets. It's a course that's giving you all of the secrets that the best people selling software are doing. So they've kept this to themselves. I've learned these secrets over the years. I've been giving demos for 15 plus years, and I've shared exactly what these things are that get deals done. I've put them all into the Software Demo Secrets course. There's a link down there. You can get it and you can accelerate your demos so you can start closing 2, 3, 4 times as many demos as you're closing now. Go ahead and grab Software Demo Secrets. You will love it. Thank you very much for coming. Make sure you're enthusiastic and go get them.